In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a project into Asana using an Excel sheet. This process is both straightforward and efficient, allowing you to seamlessly integrate your data from Excel into your Asana workspace. Let's dive right into it. The first thing you want to do is open Asana. Once you're logged in and ready to go, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you will find the Create button. It's your starting point for bringing new projects into your workflow. Clicking on Create will bring up a list of options. From the list, you'll want to select Project. This choice sets the stage for importing your project. Once you've clicked on Project, a new window will appear. Look for the Import Project option and select it. This will guide you to the next step where you'll be creating your project's name. Naming your project thoughtfully is important as it helps in identifying and organizing your work effectively within Asana. Take a moment to decide on a clear and concise name reflective of your project's purpose. After naming your project, the next step involves selecting the Excel file you wish to import. You'll notice an option labeled Select File to Import. Clicking on this will give you two choices. You can either drag your file into the designated area or browse your computer to find it. Whichever method you choose, ensure your Excel file is readily accessible on your device for a smooth transition. Once you've selected your file, Asana will start the import process. This might take a moment, so a bit of patience will go a long way here as the system processes your data. On screen, you'll see an option to Continue with Asana. Clicking this option signals the start of the conversion process, translating your Excel data into Asana's project management format. You will need to click Continue again to confirm you're ready to proceed. As the project loads into Asana, the speed will largely depend on your internet connection. It's important to maintain patience here, as every aspect of your Excel data is carefully being processed and laid out within your new Asana project. While it might take some time, it's vital to remember that patience truly is a virtue, especially with tasks like these. Once the import is complete, go ahead and click Create Project. Your project will now be fully integrated into Asana, ready for you to manage and collaborate with your team. And that's how you import a project into Asana using an Excel sheet. By following these steps, you'll ensure a smooth transition and a well-organized workspace within Asana. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful.